This lesson will cover the Google suite of applications and how they apply to a modern construction project. Most of us are familiar with Google as the search engine we use for finding information on the web and as the host for our Gmail accounts used for sending and receiving email. While Gmail is a part of the Google suite of tools, there are several other applications that add just as much to our productivity that are also a part of this suite. In this lesson, we will look at an overview of what is available and how they are applied to the daily operations of a modern construction project. The Google suite of tools is a set of cloud-based computing, productivity, and collaboration apps designed to work together, creating a seamless workflow for creating, sharing, and organizing information. The applications are Gmail, a web-based email service, Google Calendar, an online calendar to help keep track of time and schedules, Google Drive, a cloud-based storage application where you can create folder structures for storing and organizing your project files, as well as sharing them, allowing you to collaborate with others. Google Docs is an online word processing app that is similar to Microsoft Word, and Google Sheets is an online spreadsheeting program that is similar to Microsoft Excel. As the Google suite of tools is cloud-based, all of your work and information is instantly saved as you go, making this the platform of choice for a modern construction project. While there are several web browser choices for connecting to the web, I'm using Google Chrome as it is their full-featured browser designed to take full advantage of the Google suite of tools. This screen shows my web browser with Google Search set as the home page. The key parts of a browser page are the Page Name tab displaying the title of the current web page, the address bar showing the address or URL of the current page, the Bookmarks bar where frequently used web pages can be stored for quick access by clicking the star on the right-hand side of the address bar, selecting Bookmarks bar for the Folders field, and then clicking Done. As you can see, New Tab has been added to the Bookmarks bar for quick access in the future. Here we have the Google Search field where I can type a topic to have Google search for it on the web, and below that I can use the Add Shortcut feature to add links for quick access to things that I most often use. The Google Chrome web interface is the point of access for all of the G Suite applications, and with this fundamental understanding of navigating the interface, you will experience all of the productivity benefits of these tools. On my Google Search homepage, I have set up shortcuts to all of the applications that make up the Google suite of tools. I will use the Gmail shortcut to launch the application. Gmail not only allows us to both send and receive information, but gives us a set of tools to organize this information into a productive workflow. The interface consists of a navigation pane allowing us to view our inbox, sent items, and a list of other tools we can use to organize our world of information. The preview pane is the area where we view the set of messages in the group we have selected in the navigation pane. As I have selected my inbox, the lists show me all of my received messages. Above this area is the search bar that allows us to search the current list by criteria such as names and dates. Clicking one of the messages in the inbox list will open it, allowing you to view its contents. In the upper left, we have the Compose button. When clicked, this opens a new message that can be addressed to either one person or a whole list of recipients, sending both a body of text and attaching any desired information. With email at the heart of our information exchange, we must have a solid set of skills as will be gained in the following lessons. With scheduling being a key component of any construction project, Google Calendar is a great way to keep track of all those important dates. To add an event to the calendar, simply double-click the day, and this will open the scheduler. Inside of the scheduler, we can add a title for an event. We can adjust the days for the event. It can be an all-day event, or if not, in this area, we can set both the time and the duration of the event. I'm able to add a location and other information, such as if it's a conferencing event, I can set the color for the calendar bar, and I can add a description. One of the powerful features of Google Calendar is it allows me to add guests. Once added, when I click Save, which saves the event to my calendar, as well, I get the option to send the invitees a link that will show up in their email box, inviting them to the event. As well, we can sort our calendar by day, showing this view, week, month, and year. That's an overview of Google Calendar, and we will take a deeper look in the lessons that follow to ensure you get the most out of this application. Google Drive is G Suite's file and folder sharing application. The interface is made up of the navigation pane on the left and the content pane on the right. With my drive selected in the navigation pane, my folders and files are shown in the content pane. I have an existing folder for my projects, and double-clicking it shows two subfolders for the First Street project and for the Second Street project. I will double-click to open the Second Street project, showing its contents of two files. This represents a simple example of how we can organize our information using folders and subfolders. This is highly recommended, as you will never say, "Oops, I over-organized my project." To create a new folder, I click the New button and then click Folder. This brings up a dialog box allowing me to name it, click Create, and you can now see that I have a folder titled My Information that I can now upload files to. I'll double click it to open it. I'll select New and File Upload. This opens a dialog box allowing me to upload a file from my computer to Google Drive. I select it, click Open. You can see that it's now uploading the file. And there it is. I now have access to this file on my Google Drive. A powerful tool available to us in Google Drive is the ability to share both files and folders with others for collaboration. I select the file that I want to share, right-click, and select Share. Here I enter the email address of the parties I want to share it with. I click Send, and they have now received an invitation to share in this document with me. This means that all parties with access can work on the same document. I'll now return to the home page of my drive. And within the G Suite, we have Google Docs. This is similar to Microsoft Word and is shown here in the document entitled My Project List. I'll double click it. This opens the document, and you can see that it's a standard word processing interface, much like that of Microsoft Word, with all of the same functions and features. Also, there is Google Sheets, which is similar to Microsoft Excel and is shown in the document Project Hours Tracker. I'll open this up. And you can see that this is a standard spreadsheeting environment, much like Microsoft Excel, again, with all the standard functionality that we find in that program. Either a new doc or a new sheet can be created from the New button, and you see here that I have Google Docs and Google Sheets, and by clicking either of those, I would be able to create a new blank template for that. Now that we've been working with some files and folders, you can see that across the top I have a quick access area, and this has recent files that I have been working with. This is a surface overview of my drive, but we will definitely dig into this one in lessons to come in order to harness all of its horsepower. This has been a good look at the applications within the Google suite of tools that we will use to manage all of the information, communication, and scheduling needs of a modern construction project. In the lessons to follow, we will take an even deeper look into each of these applications to ensure the highest productivity gains that come with a solid set of fundamental skills.